We're going to replace the batteries in our burned out 2020 Toyota Corolla key fobs. We've already taken out the extra key. Goes right in there. Super simple. Little click. Now you want to find right inside here is a little spot for the key to get in there. Turn it like you're unlocking the door. Be gentle. It has a rubber grommet that you're going to have to keep lined up. Battery's right there on the back side. Super easy. Gonna grab a little screwdriver. Just a little guy, nothing big. And then right here is a little spot to pop out that battery. Perfect. Battery's out, positive side up. We're just putting it right back in. Snaps in. Check and make sure that this is all lined up. Everything lines up. Take our cover. Slowly clip it back together. That's one. Keys in. Round number two. Other key set. Same thing, get it in this little slot right here where the key goes sideways. Pop it. Same setup. Find the little notch right here. Pop the battery. Battery's out. So I'm holding my thumb on that, and my finger right there, and that actually kept it together better. Boom, she's in. Cover. I'd say that's pretty quick and easy. Toyota Corolla 2020. Lights up. It beeps. Lights up and it beeps.